So, what's up guys, we're back again with another video today. And in today's video, as per I have promised, I promised I'm gonna donate the money that I collected from the people in my last video. So today I'm coming with a new thing today, and I only collected something around 250 rupees yesterday. It is something around $3. So I was thinking about what kind of charity can I do with $3 with 250 rupees. So I thought I should distribute some of the bananas to the people in need. So I have came to a shop, and this shop has the banana. I am purchasing the banana of around 250 rupees for $3. It's 4 kg banana. So yeah, I will go and I will donate the bananas to the people in need and to the poor people, and also to the people who are willing to eat it. All right, let's go with the vlog. That's it. Alright, so we have got these bananas, and now I'm moving ahead to distribute these bananas. As per my promise, I have done this thing, and let's go ahead what we can see in the video today. Let's go. So I was on my way, that I was coming by the metro. So on the way I found a person who was asking me for a shawarma burger. That's I don't know what is shawarma called in English, but yeah, that was a kind of burger. So he asked me to get the burger. So I gave him the burger from by my own side. So yeah, I'm doing the charity also. If I am able to give some charity to the people, I do that. So let's see. I have these bananas with me. So let's see how many people come across to me, and I can give them these bananas. Let's see. So as you can see, I've given her the bananas, 2 bananas, and by my side I have more bananas over here, and I'm gonna give more people. All right. So for now, I have distributed these bananas among people, and they are some bananas are left over here, and a whole carry bag is left for bananas, and I'm gonna distribute these among people. So let's see how many people can we come across more. So let's go for it. It is even really hard to distribute all these things and then recording this thing at the same time, because these bags are so heavy that I have to carry them in my hands, and with the other hand I am recording the video. So that's why I'm not able to record all the videos, but still I am giving this to the people. It really doesn't matter if I am showing it or not showing it. You all know that yesterday only I got the promise from all of you, and today I'm fulfilling the promise, as you are seeing, as you are watching in my content. So yeah, I am still coming to with the people who I need and who can get this from me. Yeah. So as you can see, they are selling fans and this toy and this panda. This panda. So it glows up with the light, and I have given them bananas, and look over there, even he is eating a banana. Look over here. she is eating a banana. All right. Well, we are done with the charity. I have only 3 bananas left, and I'm gonna give it to another person, and we have done the charity for today. So yes, the promise that I kept to you all is fulfilled. Let's see what we can come across to today only. Let's go. So hands up. Oh, the remains of the bananas are on my fingers, but we have done the charity. I'm glad that I have done this charity with the help of you all, and thank you so much to all people who donated the money, who gave the money. If this video is successful, if this video will get successful, I'm gonna definitely make a part 2 of this video again. So I'm done with making all the videos for today. So I hope you all like the video. So Let's see what more content can we bring on this channel in the future. But I think so that we're gonna do something big. We're gonna do something big, and I'm damn sure for this thing. God is with me, and I believe in God. I believe in universe so much. I will make this channel the greatest one day. The greatest one day for sure. Let's see what we can do in the coming future, because we're doing the hard work, we're doing the hardships, we're going against all the odds. So let me see what coming all the odds will bring us to. So by this side only, I hope you all like the video. So make sure to drop a like on this video and comment me more about what videos you want me to bring on this channel, and make sure to subscribe this channel. I just don't know what you're gonna do with the subscribe button. If you wanna hit that button by your fingers or by your thumb, doesn't matter. I wanna get subscribed. All right, I'm Mayank over here and you're watching Amrit Live. Let's go. Bye.